Hi, I'm Heidi, a senior living expert at A Place for Mom. Today, I'm going to help you understand whether or not assisted living would be a good fit for a senior loved one. Assisted living is a housing option for older adults where they can take advantage of scheduled events or activities, healthcare services, and a variety of amenities from the comfort of home. You'll still hear people say that assisted living is just a fancy word for a nursing home, but that could not be any further from the truth. Nursing homes are for individuals with serious medical conditions who need medical care from a licensed healthcare professional. Assisted living, on the other hand, is really best suited for seniors who want a maintenance-free lifestyle in a community setting that offers a range of unique amenities and care services. The residents of an assisted living community will typically have a much higher level of independence than those within a nursing home. Someone who needs assistance with tasks like medication management, mobility, meal preparation, housekeeping, laundry, transportation, or activities of daily living may do really well in an assisted living community. A big benefit of assisted living is that the services are tailored to each resident, so each person is receiving care in a way that fits their unique needs and preferences. Some communities also have visiting healthcare professionals like doctors, nurse practitioners, and different types of therapists, which can be a huge convenience. Now, while it's very rare for an assisted living community to have these types of professionals on site 24/7, they still will have caregivers available throughout each hour of the day and night if needed. There are also a ton of amenities residents can take advantage of, such as on-site pools, restaurants, gardens, fitness centers, libraries, arts and crafts centers, and so much more. As one of our other experts here so cleverly put it, it's kind of like a cruise ship on land. There's this myth that senior living communities are kind of stale and boring, but in reality, they're built around keeping residents excited and engaged in their lifestyle. Now, when someone retires and leaves behind all of the tasks like home maintenance, lawn care, and chores, they start to look for new ways to fill their time. Now, assisted living communities take that pretty seriously. That's why, in addition to all of those cool amenities, assisted living communities also have really robust activity calendars. Some of the most common activities I've seen are happy hours, craft classes, game nights, movie nights, barbecues, fitness classes, and outings. In fact, a community near me hosted an on-site watch party for a local sports game, and they gave out the hot dogs, the peanuts, and the drinks. I've heard of some communities that even take their residents on a week-long vacation to the beach. Each community will have a different approach to activities, so make sure you ask lots of questions if you end up touring an assisted living community. And while they put a lot of effort into setting up activities that fit everyone's interests, they are elective. So if you have a loved one that's a bit more introverted, they are more than welcome to pursue their own hobbies or their own interests. As far as the actual room types go, it varies quite a bit. You'll see everything from single-family homes, townhomes, and apartments, to private or shared suites. Some living spaces have studio-style floor plans, while others have features like patios or full kitchens and living rooms. If you or your loved one loves hosting holiday parties or Thanksgiving, a move to an assisted living community doesn't necessarily get in the way of that. It's just something to keep in mind as you tour floor plans. Now, if you put all of the different senior care options on a cost spectrum, assisted living falls somewhere in the middle. Price is highly variable based on location, the community's pricing model, and the level of care a resident needs. We'll have a link in the description to our cost survey, which will give you an idea of the cost of assisted living in your specific state, and then you can compare that to other care types and locations as well. That's everything I think you should know about assisted living to get you started in your search for care. If you're still unsure about which senior living option would be best, we're going to link our care quiz in the description. By answering a series of questions, it'll recommend care options near you and can give you a lot of insight into which care type would fit best. If you have any questions or advice for other caregivers, please drop those in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more advice on senior living and caregiving. Thanks for watching.